This is example 7, the logarithmic and exponential forms lab. We have log of base b of p to the cube times the square root of q. And we want to expand this as far as we possibly can. So we have these properties of logarithms. We have a product rule, a quotient rule, and a power rule. The product rule is where we have log of base a of m times n is equal to the log of base a of m plus log of base a times n. Our quotient rule is log of base a of m over n is equal to log a of m minus log a of n. And our power rule of log of base a of m to the exponent of r is equal to r times log a of m. So we're going to use these rules to expand as much as we can of log of base b of p cubed times the square root of q. So first what we'll notice is that this is being multiplied by this, so we have p cubed times the square root of q. So we know that we can expand this by the product rule, where we have log base a of m times n, which is what it's in the form of now, is equal to log a of m plus log a of n. So writing out in this formula using the product rule, this is equal to log of the same base b of this right here, p cubed, plus log of the same base b of our n here, which they're being multiplied, so it's the square root of q. So we've expanded it to this form. So now we're going to look at each one individually, and we're going to expand out or rewrite this so that this is an exponent, so that we can possibly use our power rule here. So rewriting that, we'll just tack on our log base of b of p cubed plus log of base b, and the square root of q is the same thing as q to the 1/2 power. So now that we've rewritten everything into powers, we're going to come down here and look at our power rule. We have log of base a of m to the exponent of r. This is the same thing as r, the exponent, multiplied by log a of m. So, using that, we can pull out these exponents and put them to the front of each log. So we have our exponent here is 3, so we can pull out this 3 and put it to the front of our log. So we have 3 times log b of p plus, and then here we have an exponent 1/2, so we can pull out this 1/2 and put it on the front, plus 1/2 times log b of q. And we look at this and we go back to here, and there's no more rules that we can use to expand this, so this is as expanded as it can possibly get.